राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू ने कहा कि देश के अर्थतंत्र को मजबूत करने में आरबीआई का महत्वपूर्ण योगदान रहा है। राष्ट्रपति ने मुंबई में रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के 90वीं वर्षगांठ समारोह के समापन समारोह को संबोधित किया। इस अवसर पर उन्होंने आरबीआई की महत्वपूर्ण पहलुओं का जिक्र करते हुए कहा कि विकसित भारत 2047 का मिशन एक वित्तीय इकोसिस्टम की मांग करता है जो सभी के लिए सुलभ हो। राष्ट्रपति ने कहा कि पिछले कुछ वर्षों में आरबीआई ने नाबार्ड, आईडीबीआई, नेशनल हाउसिंग बैंक जैसे संस्थाओं की स्थापना करके वित्तीय इकोसिस्टम को मजबूत किया है। इससे कृषि, लघु व्यवसाय और हाउसिंग सेक्टर को आवश्यक सहायता मिली है।
Ladies and gentlemen, the RBI has also consistently strived to uphold people's trust by placing consumer interest at the center of its policies. Deposit insurance continues to be an essential aspect of customer protection. It continues to strengthen its grievance redressal systems, ensuring quick and transparent resolution of customer complaints. The Internet Ombudsman system has further streamlined the process, providing customers with easier access and faster resolution. Financial awareness is a key pillar of consumer protection. RBI's campaigns and publications have played pivotal role for people understanding banking risk, recognize fraud, and make informed financial decisions. With the rapid advancement of technology, the risk of financial fraud and cyber threats is also increasing. This growing concern demands constant vigilance, and RBI has been taking proactive measures, strengthening safeguards and ensuring a secure banking environment. I was glad to learn about the RBI's commitment for the environment. In the time of climate change, it is commendable to see a central bank taking innovative steps to promote sustainable finance. As the government leads the transition to a greener economy, the RBI has complemented this vision through measures such as the Green Deposit Framework, which directs funds towards environmentally sustainable projects, and the inclusion of green finance under priority sector lending to encourage banks to support eco-friendly initiatives. Ladies and gentlemen, the RBI has not only evolved with the changing times, but has been a key architect of India's financial transformation. From containing inflation in strengthening financial inclusion to maintaining monetary stability and enabling robust economic growth, its role has been fundamental in shaping the nation's economic destiny. The RBI's remarkable journey over the past 90 years has been closely aligned with the vision and policies of the government. This enduring partnership has been essential in navigating complex economic transitions, implementing critical financial reforms, and maintaining microeconomic stability. As India approaches the centenary of its independence, the mission of Viksit Bharat 2047 calls for a financial ecosystem that is innovative, adaptive, and accessible to all. The path ahead will present new complexities and challenges. Yet, with a steadfast commitment to stability, innovation, and inclusivity, RBI will continue to be a pillar of strength, reinforcing trust and steering India towards a future of prosperity and global leadership. As the guardian of monetary and financial stability, RBI will play a defining role in this journey, ensuring a sound banking system, driving financial innovation, and safeguarding trust in our financial ecosystem. Once again, I extend my heartiest congratulations to the entire RBI family, past and present, on this milestone, and I wish the institution continued success in the year ahead.